Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Block in Steam. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block in Steam and what does block in Steam do and where can you see the block in your Steam. So, right now, first thing you need to do is open up your Steam. Once you're here, to block a person, you just need to find your friend. For example, you have a friend that you don't like him anymore. To the friends. For example, we're gonna block right here. Let's say we don't like him anymore, right? Or her anymore. Just click on block all communications. Then click on yes, block them. And okay. You see, after blocking them, you will not be able to receive notifications, invites, or chat from them once you block them. And they will not be your friend anymore. So right now, to see where are the people that you block in your Steam, the first thing you need to do is go to the left side corner to friends. After clicking on friends, click add a friend. This is the shortest way to go there. And then after that, click on blocked. And there you go. As you can see, here is the person that I blocked just a few minutes ago. So yeah, there you go, guys. The block in Steam. So I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a little bit of tip for you guys to unblock them. Just click on them and then click unblock all communication. And they can add you back again. You can be all friends. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.